character meals, quick service, and those diamonds in the rough. We've got our top 6 tips for planning your dining at Disney. Hey, this is Dora with Make Time for Magic, and we are making time to plan that Disney dining. Tip number 1 is to book those character dining experiences, especially if you're on the Disney dining plan. Most of the character meals are just 1 table service credit, and the benefit here is great if you or your kiddos like to meet the characters, because they'll come right to your table for those autographs and photos. So you can avoid waiting in some of those lines, which can be a real time saver. Those character buffets have loads of options, so even your picky eaters shouldn't have trouble finding something they like. In the Magic Kingdom, your 1 credit character buffet is the Crystal Palace, where you'll meet Pooh and his friends. This is a great early morning breakfast option if you can score a reservation before the park opens. Character meals on the monorail loop are super convenient too. At the Contemporary, you'll find Chef Mickey's, where you'll meet the Fab Five. At the Grand Floridian, you have 1900 Park Fair, where you can meet Alice and friends in the morning, or Cinderella, Prince Charming, and her stepsisters at dinner. If you head over to the Polynesian, Ohana will be the place to meet Lilo and Stitch for breakfast. At Hollywood Studios, your character buffet is going to be at Hollywood and Vine, where for breakfast you'll meet some of your Disney Junior favorites, but for lunch and dinner, you'll meet Minnie, Mickey, and friends. And if it happens to be time for one of Minnie's seasonal dines, they'll be dressed for the occasion. At Animal Kingdom, you'll find the Tusker House Buffet, where you'll get to meet Donald, Daisy, Minnie, Mickey, and Goofy as well. In Epcot, you'll find 2 character dining experiences. You can dine with the princesses at Akershus Royal Banquet Hall in the Norway Pavilion. It's an all-you-care-to-eat family-style experience. In the Land Pavilion, you can dine with Chip, Dale, and Farmer Mickey at the Garden Grill. So book those character meals, eat sitting down in the air conditioning, and check off some of those must-have autographs while you're at it. Okay, tip number 2, quick service and the weather. If you plan to use quick service dining, pay attention to the weather and know which quick service locations, or at least whether or not the ones you're interested in eating at, have indoor seating. I'm for real here, guys. Many of the quick service locations do not have any indoor seating available. This may be totally not a problem for some people, I don't know. Maybe you don't mind eating while it's raining. I guess it is Disney and you are on vacation. For me though, I don't mind putting on a poncho and heading for whatever attractions I can. But I just don't handle eating in the rain well. And if you don't have a backup plan, you could find yourself trying to find something at the last minute in the rain. So if you're like me and you don't want to end up eating in the rain, I have put together a list of quick service locations at Disney with indoor seating that I can send directly to your email. Just head over to maketimeformagic.com and sign up for our monthly e-newsletter and we'll send one right to you. Tip number 3 also has to do with quick service, and that is to use mobile ordering if it's available. If you're eating at a quick service location that offers mobile ordering, this is a big time saver, guys. You can handle it all on your My Disney Experience app. You order your food and then let them know when you've arrived. There's no waiting in line to make your order, you just pick it up. Tip number 4, look for those diamonds in the rough. So you don't want to overlook those restaurants at the resorts, guys. You'll find some truly hidden gems here. There are many restaurant locations at resorts with some fantastic eats, where you can usually find availability much closer to your arrival date. For example, the Kona Cafe at the Polynesian offers some fantastic dishes. They've got great bread and these super cute little dessert cups. And they're not gonna book up 6 months out like their neighbor Ohana does. You can get to it from the monorail if you're at the Magic Kingdom or Epcot, and you can watch the fireworks on the beach after dinner if you'd like. Over at the Animal Kingdom Lodge, you could check out Sanaa. It has the best bread service we have had in all of Disney. Plus, you'll get to check out all of those animals walking around just outside the windows. And we can usually grab a reservation here pretty late in the game. The Wave of American Flavors is definitely one of those hidden gems. Right inside the Contemporary Resort, you can walk there from the Magic Kingdom or take the monorail, and we've been very pleased with the food and service. They have a very nice breakfast buffet that is super convenient on your way to the parks. So don't overlook the restaurants at those resorts. You just might find your new favorite place. And you might find a much needed break from those crowds as well. Tip number 5 is one we've talked about before. Watch for those free dining promotions. Disney usually pushes these out a couple of times a year, and even if you already have a package booked, you can call your travel advisor or Disney travel company and request that you have your package replaced with a free dining package. This is one of the reasons that we recommend working with a travel advisor. They will be watching for these offers to be released and will work to try to snag you one of those as soon as they come out, because they only offer a limited number of free dining packages and they get scooped up pretty quick. So if you're not working with a travel advisor, keep checking back to that Disney website so you can see as soon as possible when they publish out these new offers. Tip number 6 is to make those dining reservations as far out in advance as possible. Disney has some super popular dining locations that can book up 6 months out. This is where having a reservation for an on-property Disney resort will give you a big advantage. You will be able to book the reservations for your entire trip once the first day of your stay hits that 180-day out mark, while everyone else will have to book each day separately as each day hits 180 days out. This is a huge advantage when you want to book those hard-to-get reservations. So there you have it. Those are our 6 tips for planning your dining at Disney. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and remember, time is precious, so be sure to make time to create those magical memories.